2013, mathematician Vladimir S.H. Cherbak and astrobiologist Maxim Makakov discovered a hidden code in our DNA that contained mathematical patterns and an unknown language. This code, resembling an extraterrestrial stamp, operated like a mathematical code and had incredibly low odds of occurring randomly. Supporters of the ancient astronaut theory saw this as proof that extraterrestrial intelligence intentionally manipulated human DNA, making us organic robots. Some believe that this artificial manipulation gave us intelligence, linking us to artificial intelligence, AI. Consequently, it is believed that humans are now programming artificially intelligent robots, continuing the agenda set by ancient extraterrestrial civilizations that supposedly seeded our planet.
Göbekli Tepe changed history. They moved the goalposts. Göbekli Tepe is an immense megalithic site, comprised of numerous stone circles with large, intricately carved pillars. Some of these pillars weigh as much as 20 to 25 tons. Much of the site still remains buried, and only a small portion has been excavated so far. The creation of such monuments and sites requires a developed civilization with a population base, individuals skilled in various disciplines like stonework and quarrying, as well as a well-established ceremonial and cultural ethic to guide the construction of stone circles. It is undeniable evidence of the existence of a civilization. Consequently, there is now a question of whether the established date of civilization should be pushed back from 6,000 years ago to 12,000 years ago. One aspect that has undergone a change is the definition of hunter-gatherers. Instead of categorizing this as a mere hobby of weekend stonework done by hunter-gatherers seeking to escape family life, it is now seen as a significant cultural and historical undertaking. The Egyptian pyramids' composition was tested. In 1984, a group of scientists were granted rare access to study the casing stones from the pyramids of Giza. They took core samples from the casing stones to gain insight into the type and composition of the materials used. Their goal was to match this information with the source of limestone and granite used in the construction of the Pyramid of Giza. The samples from the quarry revealed pure limestone, but the casing stones from the pyramids exhibited a different composition. Another intriguing observation was the density and structure of the stones. The casing stones were light and contained numerous trapped air bubbles, while the quarry samples were uniformly dense. These stark differences suggest that the casing stones were not natural limestone and were, in fact, man-made. This implies that advanced technology and knowledge were available at that time, despite what archaeologists might have you believe. The Lost Giants of Delavan Lake, Wisconsin. In May of 1912, a remarkable discovery unfolded at Lake Delavan, Wisconsin. The excavation was overseen by Beloit College and involved more than 200 effigy mounds. The New York Times published an article on May 3rd, shedding light on the findings of peculiar skeletons, potentially linked to a long-lost tribe that once roamed Wisconsin. Strikingly, these ancient remains possessed an intriguing anomaly: 6 fingers and 6 toes, akin to the description mentioned in 2 Samuel 21:20, depicting a colossal man with 24 digits descended from the legendary Rapha or giants. Awaiting further investigation, representatives from the state's historical museum were set to examine these extraordinary discoveries within days. However, a curious pattern emerged throughout history, a recurring theme of unearthing giant burial sites only to witness the bones vanish into obscurity or be destroyed, never to be spoken of again. The enigma surrounding these giant skeletons and the whispered connections to ancient scriptures have sparked intense curiosity. Could these colossal beings truly have walked the earth, leaving behind their traces for us to uncover? Share your thoughts in the comments.